Hi guys, welcome back to Giri. I hope all of you are doing fine, all of you are safe. So today we are going to talk about the NLSIU webinar that took place recently, I think yesterday. So NLSIU webinar. Now we are going to do a complete analysis of the webinar. What are some important points that we got to know about the exam, about the course, a lot of things about the institute, right? So a complete analysis. Even if you have watched the webinar, I would say do watch the video because I've done a detailed analysis. There are certain things that you should know, right? And NLSIU Bangalore a webinar related to NLSAT. Now, a lot of you are confused that what is NLSAT. NLSAT is the exam for 3-year law course, 3-year law course which will give you admission. Like you can take admission in NLSIU Bangalore if you clear this exam NLSAT. This is just for NLSIU Bangalore. As of now in 2022, I'm talking about January 2022, there is no other NLU in our country, in India, that is having a 3-year law course. Like it is just NLSIU Bangalore. We can expect other NLUs also coming up with this idea soon, that is for sure. But yeah, as of now it is NLSIU Bangalore, and NLSAT जो है वो NLSIU Bangalore का 3-year law entrance एग्जाम है जो 3-year law course में एडमिशन देगा. I hope everything is clear, because a lot of you are thinking that NLSAT is the CLAT of 3-year law exams, which is not true. It is going to just you get admission in NLSIU Bangalore. क्लियर है? अगर अभी भी कोई डाउट है, you can comment down below and you can ask me, but please don't keep doubts, right? So let's get started. Yeah guys, welcome to Logiri. I hope you're subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Logiri. We do pretty motivational stuff out there. If you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Logiri, then do follow us on Instagram. Mode of the exam. Now, a lot of you were asking this question that what is going to be the mode of the exam. So they have cleared it out. It is going to be offline, very clear. Offline pen and paper mode mein hoga, but they're saying that in case COVID situation gets worse, or there is a situation where an offline exam cannot take place, then they might change their decision. But as of now, it is going to be an offline exam, right? Interview will be conducted at the campus of NLS, that so that students can visit the campus, look out for themselves. So that kind of situation is there, right? As of now, again, COVID की वजह से कुछ हो जाए तो nothing can be said. Okay. The next question, is it a corporate law program? Now, a lot of you were asking me also this question, that who should opt for NLS IU Bangalore 3-year law course if they are looking forward to work in the corporate world with a law firm, what, and can we expect the same placements as NLSIU is able to get the placements for their 5-year law students? Same would be for 3-year. They cleared it out and they said that yes, this course is for sure for people who want to go for corporate law and law firms. Placements would be at par with 5-year law students, no doubt about that. But they also said that this course is going to help the students if they want to go for any other career in law as well, right? It can be you want to start your individual legal practice, that is you want to, or you want to go into litigation, right? Or if you want to go into research, if you want to opt for any government exam like that of UPSC or any judiciary exam, it can be anything. And they're saying that we have structured the course in such a way that the students would be able to go for anything they want to, right? So please don't, they're what they're saying, that yes, you can go for corporate law and law firm thing, but it is not only for that. You can go for other careers in law as well. Another very common question is duration of the current affairs you need to cover. Now, they were very clear that, they cannot draw a line. And they said that, the professor who answered this question very kindly explained that they expect the students to connect. Now, by connect, what they meant that, for example, if they are talking about climate change, right? even in the sample paper wherein they have said that what are the parameters on which they are testing you, they clearly have told that we are looking at the broad knowledge that the student is having, how they connect, what are the reasons that they are giving. If you are giving an argument, it's not simply giving an argument, you need to have a reason. So they want to see the process, what is the processing behind that, the argument. So you need to have a reason for the arguments that you give, right? And also they said history. Now they've used the word history in the webinar. Now, by history, do they mean static GK? No, not at all. Please, please, please don't study static GK for NLSIU Bangalore's 3-year NLSAT exam. What they mean is that if there is a topic, for example, climate change, they want you to go as much back as you can. Maybe you talk about the conventions, maybe you talk about what is happening now, when it started. So basically, you need to, history is the background of any current topic. Right. So what are they trying to say? That okay, fine, we're not drawing the line, we can ask you anything, but then they've given the clear hints in the sample paper. They're saying unresolved issues, opinion on unresolved issues. That is what they're saying, that there are high chances that the topics are going to be around those issues that are unresolved. Reservation, one unresolved issue, that's a topic no one has an answer to. Should it be there? Like, no one has an answer to mean there is no one thing that one can say, okay, this is the thing. No, right? There are various other topics that are unresolved, so they are hinting towards unresolved issues, right? And with regard to that, you need to have awareness. That is, you need to put out the facts, you need to put out the different opinions that people have, that you can collect from editorials, and then you need to also have your own arguments. You need to have your own arguments, you need to have your own opinion about the same, right? So yeah, you need to draw a line for yourself. That is why I'm saying January 2021 till, covering news from January 2021 till April 2022 is the safest thing to do. And then continue reading the current affairs, because I suppose you are preparing for other 3-year law entrance exams as well, like Delhi University MHCET, your Symbiosis 3-year law entrance exam, and also your interview is also going to be highly current affairs based, right? For example, marital rape. uh, India is not able to decide that should there be a law pertaining to marital law, right? All of these things that are unresolved issues, you need to have a clear-cut outlook on these topics, right? So that is what is there. Now, another thing that they, said was you need to be well read. Now, they're looking for students. They're looking for those 60 students in their 3-year program who are well read. They're aware, right? You need to be well read. Now, obviously, I assume that you guys, most of you were not reading the newspaper back in the day in 2021. If you were, you are lucky enough, things are going to be easier for you. But if you were not reading the newspaper, I think IS Vision is going to help you out, because again, they tend to give the background of the issue, like very nicely. They put out the background of the issue, they even give you some advantages, disadvantages, you know the kind of thing that you really need to put out an essay out there. And also it is going to help you for the MCQs for the part A, right? Again, I'm telling you, please, please, please watch two videos. One is the analysis of NLSAT sample papers, and another one is 3 months schedule for NLSAT. You need to come up with the history of the issue to the present, right? History of the issue is what is going on current. You need to be aware that from where it started, what happened, what not, all of that. If you're putting it out there, that is going to be great. Again, editorials are going to help you with that. Again, IS Vision is going to help you with that, and continuously reading newspaper, the Hindu and the Indian Express, is going to help you a lot in that. The next question was, critical reasoning plays an important role. Yes or no? Yes, it does plays a very important role. They've clearly told us, not only for part A, that is your MCQs part. They've also said that in the subjective part, that is part B, your critical reasoning is going to play a really important part. Cogent argument. What do you mean by cogent arguments? Do search about it. You are going to understand it. And if you have read the basics of critical reasoning, it is really easy to understand that if you're giving an argument, if you're saying, okay, this, you need to give a reason behind that. You cannot just say this, okay? You need to give a clear-cut reason, and for even the conclusion that you are arriving at, you need to give a reason behind it. And if you have a basic or a good understanding of critical reasoning, it is going to help you not only in part A because they're going to be direct questions, but here also it is going to help you. So critical reasoning plays a very important role. I think logical reasoning, your puzzle test and all that should take a back seat. I though have told you that you can take out 2 days and just run through the topic so that in case by chance, but what they have said out there, they're not looking forward to any those kind of puzzle kind of tests, but they are more into critical reasoning, right? That is your assumptions, arguments, inference, conclusion type. The next very important thing that is very much visible from the sample papers, from the syllabus that they have put out, that there is going to be no maths, and they have repetitively told us again and again in the webinar also that there is going to be no maths. Are open university graduates eligible for the exam, which is really again very much a big question. They told that if UGC recognizes it, it is equivalent to a graduate degree, like a regular graduation degree. Obviously, for sure a person is eligible for the NLSAT exam. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, comment down below how can I help you more, which are the videos that you want me to upload. And if you want to chat with me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. I'm there by the name @ImLoggery. You can also book a one-on-one session with me, which is a paid session. And yeah, you can also follow my other channel that is a very personal kind of channel wherein I'm sharing my life lessons, motivational videos, and all. The name of the channel is Miss Being. The links are going to be in the description box. Do check out the 2 videos that are related to NLSAT. Very important, are going to help you a lot. Links are again going to be in the description box below. So that's it, Loggery signing off. I'll see you super soon. Till then, keep on studying and stay confident. Believe in yourself.